Hey guys! Alright, so it is Sunday, January the 5th, and it is the last day for the Disney Tree Trail. So we're going to attempt to go see what it looks like. I've never seen it before, so I can't wait to check it out. So we're gonna head over there right now. It's over at Disney Springs. We parked in the Grapefruit Garage. I didn't see the directions to the Lime Garage. I don't know. So we'll see. We'll see how close we are. I think I'm at the right place. So we'll see what we can find. But I'll show you guys the trees and whatever stuff we can find that's still decorated for Christmas. So you guys can look forward to doing the tree trail next year. So let's go see. We just got out of the garage and there's World of Disney and Basin. Basin is one of my favorite stores over here. Usually come down and get my bath bombs here for the week. And you have like a jacuzzi tub in the room. Disney Springs Christmas Tree Trail. It's snowing. It's snowing. Probably, yeah. Cool. You guys see? Look at the monorail over here. Oh, look how. Oh, I love it.
Guilty.
All right, it's Beauty and the Beast. Ah. All right, Sleeping Beauty. What you think, Emmy?
That's why it's called Sleeping Beauty.
Ah, okay. All right, Princess and the Frog.
Daddy's favorite princess.
Emily just asked if this is a Mardi Gras tree. Makes sense. It's Tiana.
Oh, there's little hands.
Oh yeah, because she's a chef.
There's like a rolling pin.
Guys, don't touch it though, okay?
Mardi Gras
A frog. Oh, there's a bunch of frogs on there. So there's a frog. Here's a frog up here, Emmy. See it?
Oh, yeah.
Cool. Little Mermaid.
Oh, look, it's treasure.
Oh, cool.
That's pretty, actually.
I like that.
How pretty that is. Cool.
Oh, how pretty. What do you find, Emily? Oh, cool. Don't touch it though, please. Oh, yeah.
The dingle hopper.
The dingle hopper. Oh, there's a broken mirror about mittens for kittens. Yoo-hoo. That's cute. All right, it's Aladdin. It's nice. All right, so here's the frozen tree. Look at all the carrots up at the top. I like that.
This one might be my favorite. Ice skate.
Oh, look, there's Spin. All right, it's Mulan's tree. All right, guys, my favorite tree. Me and Emily's favorite princess, Snow White. All right, here's Mickey and Minnie's tree. Emily, watch out, honey.
Oh, a Stitch Christmas tree.
Very nice.
Stitch and Minnie Mouse.
It's a Toy Story tree. Girls, watch out.
Haunted Mansion trees.
Haunted Mansion. That is awesome. That is so cool. waterfalls up there.
I see the mirror.
Spell the, where's the mirror? Oh yeah, Evil Queen's mirror.
I can see the horses.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, Cinderella.
My second Cinderella. My Cinderella.
Look at the Dumbo tree. That's awesome. Aw, it's Dumbo. All right, Emily's in love with this tree. It's a Star Wars tree. Oh my gosh. Don't touch it, Emily, though. There's the Peter Pan tree. Mary Poppins tree. I love Mary Poppins. Got the penguins in it. Oh my goodness. And look at the, oh my gosh, I love that. The chimney sweeps are on it. Spoonful of sugar. Oh gosh, guys, I love this one. All right. There's the Tangle tree. Oh yeah, she's got her hair, it's like the garland, huh? Oh, that's cool. Oh, and her little guy, her friend, I can't remember his name off the top of my head. All right, guys, look at this Lion King tree topper. That is awesome. Ah, Hakuna Matata, huh? I love that. We've even got a store over here, guys. You can get your Christmas tree trail stuff. Oh, look, you can buy some of the ornaments too. Yep, I think there's the ones for the trees. Evil Queen. Oh, look.
He was hidden on the tree.
Yeah, I guess so, huh?
He's a real thinker.
$20 each when you buy 3. Oh, there's Mary Poppins ones. I love her and her bag. What'd you find, Emily?
She has a
Ariel?
It's a real dress.
Yeah.
It's like a real
It's a real dress, huh? There's Anna.
I just looking.
All right, Fantasia. So we just finished the tree trail here at Disney Springs. I have to say my favorite trees were Snow White and Mary Poppins. What'd you think, Annie?
It was okay, but they should have had a Merida tree.
Well, what was your favorite tree out of what they had?
Frozen.
Frozen?
Do you have pointy teeth?
What do you think, Emily?
Do you have pointy teeth?
No, what do you think? What was your favorite tree?
It was Snow White and Rapunzel.
What about Star Wars?
And Sleeping Beauty and Angel.
All right, John, so what was your favorite tree?
I like the top of the Lion King tree.
So was that your favorite of all?
Sure.
All right, so guys, tonight's the last night, sadly, for the tree trail. Next year, if they do it again, which I hope they will, definitely come out and check out, see what trees they have next year. But that's it for the 2019 Christmas tree trail. Hey guys, so after doing the tree trail, we decided to come to Rainforest Cafe. We are part of the Landry Select Club, and we have it under John's birthday. So he always gets a gift card for his birthday, and we're usually never able to use it because we don't have any in Jacksonville. So since we're down in Orlando, we decided we'd come to Rainforest Cafe. So I hope you guys enjoy our food review. I think I'm gonna get the jungle turkey wrap. Annie's gonna stick with her, let's see, what's it called? She's gonna stick with a Caesar salad. She's gonna get the Little Islander Caesar salad. And Emily's gonna get the chicken nuggets. monkey? Oh, where's that? There it is. I love that fish. Annie calls it a unicorn fish. All right, guys, check out these cups that the girls got. He's so cute. And then, show me the bottom, Emily. There's a toy in the bottom, too, that they get. A little toy gorilla. So, what, honey? Yeah, we bought those. Those are for you guys. All right, so John and I just got water. John also got the turkey wrap. So, we'll see. He got it with tomatoes. I got it without tomatoes. So, hopefully it's good. I think I've had it before. I think I had it here years ago.
I used to have a barbecue wrap here that I got. It's not here anymore.
Yeah. So, we'll try it out. That's her little monkey toy. There you go, Emmy.
Do it. I said.
Alright, this video quality kind of sucks on my phone right now. But there's a gorilla. I like that. How's the salad, Annie?
Delicious, like always.
How's it, Emmy? Good?
Yeah, but even my oldest.
Alright, so John and I got the same thing, but mine is without tomatoes, his has tomatoes. Alright guys, so my wrap just came, so let me check it out, see what I think. That was good. Really good. Thumbs up. All right, and then they have an amazing store out here. They have the cutest things. Oh, that's cute. All right, guys, so that was us at Rainforest Cafe here at Disney Springs. Food was very good. It's a little bit expensive for what you get, but the atmosphere is amazing. We are part of the Landry Select Club, which means that you get priority seating. You also get $25 every birthday, so we use that coupon tonight for John's birthday. Happy birthday, John.
Thank you.
John, what'd you think of your food?
It was good.
Very good. What'd you guys think?
Caesar salad's good.
So definitely give it a thumbs up. You guys come check it out when you're staying at Disney Springs. Also, not staying at Disney Springs, but when you come visit. Also, they have T-Rex Cafe over on the other side of Disney Springs. That's also another amazing one. So instead of like the rainforest activity, it has dinosaur activity, and you can see the different dinosaurs doing different things. But guys, definitely come check it out. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell notification button, and don't forget, keep on dreaming. Bye, guys.